Morning, everyone. We're here in the boat shed and another day of work. As you can see, we're kind of a little further along than what you could see in real time. I think today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take you back to last summer where we started doing the transom. It's actually going to bridge quite quite a bit of time because we did most of the fiberglass layup on the transom boards last summer. We still haven't completely put all of the transom in, mainly because I just didn't know how things were going to land and if I needed to trim some stuff. Oh, and don't forget, we still got the giveaway going on. If you want a chance to win one of these, go ahead and go to all the videos and watch them, like them, leave a comment, uh, comment giveaway, or comment something else. We'd like to hear from you either way. But yeah, I mean, nice little coffee cup. Just about the right size. Doesn't get cold on you. At least at the rate I drink coffee. All right, let's get into it. There we got it. Nice little template. Well, you guys saw that I saw it a little bit, but not like probably the angle the camera was set up at. There's a little 1.5 inch gap there. Probably come in off of the 1x from the pattern and see if we can close that gap a little bit with the plywood. That way we don't have to use that much filler. Same down there. Might just eyeball it at first and then or maybe cut a cardboard template. That might work a little better. That way we can get it close, at least close enough for this job. But gonna have a little bit of work to do. Gonna have to do some sanding, maybe bring out the grinder with the flappy disc and get all that cleaned up, get it ready for adhesion. Still need to order the epoxy resin, some 1708 I think, and get this glassed in. I was noticing all this white paint here, and there's like a well in the back of these from what I've seen in other people's videos, pictures. I don't know, maybe it was useful. I think I'd rather have all the storage to keep a nice clean deck though, so we're going all the way to the top with the deck, and then we'll have good little 3x8x2 space to keep fuel tank and bilge pumps and battery. And then the house bank will probably go out front somewhere just to kind of stabilize the weight. We're gonna want to do like a 24 volt 8 AC use on campers, maybe like the Outquip, I believe it's called. Other people are using it. It seems to work out pretty well. But that's it for tonight. That'll get it done. It's close enough. It doesn't have to be right on. Use the phenolic filler to make the putty and get the gaps filled. Over there. Now we're ready to lay this down on the plywood and get it cut out. Top to bottom, 24 inches. I think really we'll just have to slide this down to the end. Like so. And give us a little extra on that end. And trace it out. Setting a little high. Almost just a little too tight, so take that out. Setting a little tight. Come in maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Still up off the deck. About 1/2, 3/4. Whenever you're doing this, it's always good to be a little too tight. You can always take more off. That's the gap. We're also only going to take off one side at a time. That way, we're not going to cut this thing too short all at once. Starboard side, port side. Second fit, still not quite there. I think I should have came in a lot more on the top. Okay, right here it's getting pretty tight. The problem is there's coves in these corners. So at this point, what I'll do is I'll take this piece and trace it on to that piece right over there, because this will work just fine for that outer piece. And then that way we got a nice tight fit. All right, guys and gals, second piece is in. It'll snug up nice. Fits pretty good except for down there. That's one spot that doesn't fit quite so well compared to the rest. Over there's fitting pretty good as well. Alright guys, here it is, all cut in, just held in place temporarily. We still got a glass, a 1708. There we go, camera focused. Glass 1708 piece in between. Then we're going to glue it with epoxy to the transom, and then glue this piece to this piece once both of them are faced with 1708, and then we'll tab it all in, fill the cracks or voids rather in the edges, and we'll do that step by step, piece by piece. That way we got a nice solid transom, 1.5 inch, 3/4 inch plywood, and then a layer of 1708, and then probably another layer, maybe 2. I don't know. I think I ordered enough to do 3 layers, 1708. This boat's probably going to get mounted with, I don't know, I haven't decided. I wanted to go twin 9.9s, but kind of question whether that's enough power. Let me know what you think.